Today we are reviewing a super handy and the pet-friendly product that can make life easier for both you and your furry friend, the dog stairs. Whether your pet needs help getting on the bed or couch, these stairs are designed to support small, medium, or even large dog. They're specifically designed to help your pet reach those high places, whether it's bed, couch, or even car. If you're tired of having to pick up your pet every time that they want to snuggle, these stairs are game changer. They make it easy and comfortable for your dog to go up and down without any help. These steps are gentle on your dog's paws and joint, making them perfect for older pets or smaller dogs. The build quality is impressive. It's stable and with no wobbling thanks to the removable board pads inside. Plus, the non-slip bottom ensures that the stairs stay firmly in place. You won't have to worry about the shifting as your pet climbs. Not only these stairs are a helpful tool for your pets, but they also come with the storage. Each step acts as a storage box where you can keep your dog's toy, clothes, and other supplies. The removable lids make it easy access, adding the practical touch that saves space. It's like having a pet stairs and organized all in one. With the clear instruction and super simple to assemble, just zip and step them together and add the bottom pads and extra sturdiness. With its thoughtful design and sturdy construction and added storage, this product really checks all the boxes. Whether you have a small dog or senior dog just want to prevent joint issue in your pet, this is definitely worth considering.